Hello everyone, and welcome to my fashion and beauty tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Blending Ayurvedic rituals and traditional Chinese medicine, this guide offers mindful remedies for soft, pink, and healthy lips. Luscious, plump, and perfectly shaped lips are not only beautiful to look at, they also reflect a healthy body. The skin on the lips is soft and delicate, and because it doesn't have sebaceous glands, it is vulnerable to dryness, UV radiation, pollution, and other airborne irritants. This guide suggests 10 holistic remedies combining traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicines to efficiently nurture and heal your lips so they look better than they ever have. 1. Ghee mask. Ghee is considered sacred in Indian culture due to its origin and properties. For lips, ghee lips get rid of pigmentation. Inflammation, wrinkles and cuts act as a natural barrier towards the foreign particles in the air. Just apply a coat of raw ghee at night and wake up with the softest lips ever. You can also save it and use it throughout the day as a replacement for glossy clear lip gloss. Mix it with some sort of butter to thicken the texture further. I personally love mango butter balms. 2. Beetroot juice. Nothing beats the beets when it comes to naturally tinting lips with shades of red and pink. But that's not all it does, it also gently exfoliates and hydrates the delicate skin on your lips. For a natural stain, apply a few coats of beetroot juice on clean lips overnight and rinse off with water in the morning. You can also mix the juice with shea butter or Vaseline to create a nourishing balm that adds both moisture and tint, perfect for reapplying throughout the day. 3. Hydration. The best lip care hack ever is to drink enough water and stay hydrated. Ayurveda considers water as jivanam, or life-giving, suggesting people start their day with a glass of warm water to flush out the toxins and wake the body up, making lips soft and pink. Chinese medicine also backs this up, stating that warm water dampens digestive qi and increases blood flow. Both medicinal systems give similar advice of avoiding cold drinks, sipping slowly and not chugging water, and avoiding water during and 30 minutes before and after meals. 4. Be conscious of ingredients. Start reading the labels on your products. Educate yourself on the effects of each ingredient. Don't just believe the claims of influencers or brands, look for evidence to back them up, because sadly, most claim are either false or partially true. Most Western lip care brands do not use South Asian subjects during their research and development processing, overlooking their impact on South Asian skin. The spices added for plumping lips often cause pigmentation and allergic reactions. Lip stains and lipsticks may tint your lips beautifully in the moment, but they can lead to long-term lip wrinkles and pigmentation issues. 5. Milk mask. This is a household Ayurvedic ritual that uses raw milk, boiled and unpasteurized, for soft, supple, and beautiful lips. It comes in variations depending on what you're targeting. If your lips are healthy and don't need exfoliation, just raw milk is perfect. If they're sunburnt or overheated, mix a little aloe vera gel with the milk. For a slight plump, mash in some banana. Sprinkle a bit of turmeric to address pigmentation, and add oatmeal if gentle exfoliation is needed. 6. Ice cube massage. Take an ice cube, wrap it in a thin, smooth cloth, and gently dab and glide it over your lips. Seal them with a balm once you're done. The initial chill may get a giggle out of you and send a shock to your system, but this method is amazing for boosting blood circulation, soothing inflammation, exfoliating, hydrating, and temporarily plumping the lips. It's a great hack to get plump, pink lips in under 5 minutes. 7. Lip yoga. Lips are muscles too, and they benefit from regular movement and exercise. I know it may sound unbelievable, but it's not. There are various face yoga exercises designed specifically to strengthen the muscles around the mouth, helping to prevent wrinkles, improve circulation for a natural pink tint, enhance lip shape, and boost collagen and elasticity. One well-known exercise for improving blood flow involves gently flicking the lips from right to left to stimulate circulation. Alternatively, some people massage their lips using small, circular motions with their fingers. 8. Molai mask. Molai mask is both a gentle exfoliator and a nourishing treatment. This 5-minute ritual leaves your lips softer, plumper, and naturally pink. Simply take some fresh mollai and apply a thick white coat on your lips. Let it dry, then rinse off slowly with water. The lactic acid helps remove dead skin cells, and milk fats moisturize and nourish, while other nutrients work to heal cracked lips. This exfoliating mask removes dead skin cells without damaging the skin or causing lip wrinkles or tears. 9. Lotus Seed Balm. Lotus seed balm is made by infusing lotus seed extract into mango or shea butter. It's designed to brighten, hydrate, and heal peeling lips, while also soothing and calming inflammation and irritation. This balm is supported by both Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Ayurveda considers lotus seeds tridashic, meaning they balance all three dosas in the body, while Chinese medicine suggests that lotus seeds nourish the heart and spleen and support yin energy, making them a perfect remedy for dry lips. 10. Blood and yin nourishment. Traditional Chinese medicine suggests that dry or pale lips are often the result of either anemia marked by a deficiency of hemoglobin, the component that gives blood its color, or a lack of yin, which signifies a deficiency in fluids and vitality. Rather than merely addressing the symptom, it focuses on treating the root cause through proper diet and lifestyle. Recommended remedies for pale or dry lips include eating nourishing foods such as spinach, sesame seeds, tofu, and brown rice. Fluid replenishment is supported by herbs like dong quai and mai men dong. Healthy habits such as moonlight meditation, sleeping early, and sipping warm herbal drinks further help accentuate yin energy within the body. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.